Okay, so we look for greatest common factor, something we can divide out of all three terms. We don't have that, so now we're just going to go right into factoring it into two binomials. We look at the second sign. It's a positive, so that means the signs we plug in are going to be the same. Then we look at the first sign to tell what they're both going to be. So plus and plus. So now we need two terms here and here to multiply together to give us 2x squared. So we know it's going to be x and 2x, but we just don't know where they're going to go. So I'm just going to write it out as 2x and 1x. And that multiplies together to give us 2x squared. Then we need two numbers here and here to multiply to give us 7. Well, that's got to be 7 and 1. Okay, so now we need to take each of these and link it to each of these so that the two products that are created has a sum of 15. Now it has to have a sum of 15 because the signs are the same. So it has to add up to 15. So if I take 2 times 1, that's going to be 2x. I take x times 7, that's 7x. That does not add up to 15. So that's not going to work. But what if I flip it around? Let's say I take 2 times 7, that's 14x. And x times 1, that's 1x. Does that add up to 15? It does. So we know we have the correct lengths here. So let's just take 7 and 1, and x is going to go here and here. Now it doesn't matter where they go because the signs are the same. So I'm just going to put 1 here. I'm going to put a 7 here. Now 1 gets multiplied with x, so where would I put the x? In this spot or in this spot? Well, if 1's here, whenever we multiply it all through, we're going to take this and multiply with 1 at some point. We're not going to take this and multiply with 1. So the x is going to go here, and then 2x gets multiplied with 7, so 2x has to go here. Now, it should be factored correctly, but what we always do is we have to multiply it through to make sure. So let's go ahead and do that. X times 2x, 2x squared. X times 1 is x. 7 times 2x is 14x. And 7 times 1 is positive 7. And then we have 2x squared. This is going to be 15x when you add those together, plus 7. That is the same thing that we have above, so we know we've done this correctly. And this would be your answer.